Alright everyone, so we are back home. This is my new OnePlus 7 Pro, Nebula Blue, 8 gigs RAM, 256 gigs of memory. You can see the unboxing. It says go beyond speed. And I'm trying to open it up here, see what we got. Since I've had the OnePlus 3, the OnePlus 5, now the OnePlus 7, I always go with this white and red theme. Red that comes with a case, and it does. This should be the SIM card ejector and some warranty information. Right here. What else do we have here? It's like a poster. Go beyond speed. Oh, this looks to be the quick start guide. It's in English there. Yeah, it just tells you, that it has a in-screen fingerprint reader, dual nano SIM slot, volume rocker, alert slider, power button, earpiece speaker, and front camera. Sorry about that. What else do we have here? We have SIM ejector, safety information card. FCC information, statement. We have some OnePlus never settle stickers. What else do we have? We have this clear case. I'm not going to be using this. Throw this away. And here is what we've been waiting for. Never settle. What's this? Communication letter. Oh, let's open that and see what it is. A letter from Pete Lau. Let me be the first to welcome you to the OnePlus community. Like you, we're all driven by a passion for technology. What sets us apart is that we imagine, build, polish it hand in hand with you. Okay, we believe that it's gonna be great. Thank you. Okay, cool. I know that since I'm coming from 2 other OnePlus devices and they keep having me coming back. Even though I do disagree with some of the design decisions that they have made. Here we have the beautiful 6.67 inch AMOLED display. I think they call it fluid AMOLED. 90 hertz display. You can see this blue gradient. Beautiful. Yeah, absolutely great. Pop-up camera here. And alert slider, which I wish all phones have, but it seems to be only OnePlus phones and iPhones. This is the start. So let's unbox this. Let's just go through this and see. What's going on. All this stuff. Skip this again. Skip. Alright, next. Let's just see what it looks like. Vivid colors. Changing the... Okay, yeah, that's absolutely great. That versatile. It's got this moving wallpaper. You can't really see how smooth it is, but on the camera, because it is 30 hertz, it's actually really ridiculously smooth. Let's test out the camera. Yeah, looks good. Let's see this. Really cool. Yeah. What else do we have in the box here? Warp charger. The big block here. 30 for warp charge, 30 watts. The OnePlus Red. And let's see the specs are here. So it is 5 volts at 6 amps max for warp charge 30. Or it also does 5 volts, 2 amps, which is your standard charger for iPhone. Just not any non-fast charging device. There's a 10 watt charger. Let's see what else we have. We have the charging cable here. Oh, this one's very thick. Let's see if I can get this out here. How do I open it? Okay, I'm really struggling here. I'm just gonna rip this open. It's weird. It looks like your standard OnePlus Dash Charge Red cable. I don't know if there's actually any difference. I'm gonna actually try with my OnePlus 5 cable later, and then we'll see if it actually is the same cable, because from the markings everything looks the same. Yeah, so that is it for this unboxing. Beautiful OnePlus 7 Pro. And I hope you enjoy this. If you want, like and subscribe for more videos. I'm going to have some case reviews and screen protector reviews for this phone. So if you want to keep updated, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.